Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, pool ambiance. Yes, that's right. Is your backyard lacking ambiance at night? Your pool area not quite what you want it to be? There's a cheap fix for that, and it's called an inflatable solar pool ball light, which I have here. Available on Amazon, obviously. Now, this was not sent to me. I purchased this with my own monies, and it was sent to me via Amazon. And we're going to go to the unbox. We're going to go to the box. We're going to go to the box and see what comes in the box.
The box. Who's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box?
But first, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor of today's video, me. Thank you. Back to the video. Okay, what's in the box of the inflatable flame light? Inflatable, waterproof floating, automatic night activated, IP68 waterproof, automatic illuminates, made in China. So let's see what comes in the box. This is a 2-pack, by the way. They sell them in 1-pack, 2-pack, 4-pack. A lot to unpack here. You get 1, 2, and you also get little patches. You get patches to patch it up if it deflates. And the all-important instructions. So we're going to, not even sealed, so let's see what this looks like. As you can see, there's your little solar panel and then your light. Where you blow. Although for the sake of this video, when I get to it, I'm going to use an inflator. So I'm going to go ahead and get the inflator ready, and I'll be right back. Okay, 2 balls inflated. We always want our balls to be perfectly inflated and not to overinflate our balls because that could cause a problem. So, there is no on and off switch for this, I've noticed, and the instructions say that just basically put it in the sunlight with an unobstructed view, not in any shade of any kind, of course, for at least 8 hours prior to using. And it will automatically come on when the sun goes down or when it gets dark enough. Then they say once the season's over and you want to put it away, go ahead, deflate it and store it away. Now, I'm quite gutted that they don't have a on and off button because my concern is that once you do pack it away for the winter and don't use it, after a while, sometimes batteries, they lose their thing. So is it going to work the next year or whatnot? We'll find out. Time will tell. The good thing is they're not that expensive. I will leave a link in the description below. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and get these in the sun so they can charge up, and I can show you what you can do with these in the event that you don't have a pool, but you just want some kind of nice ambiance. Oh, and one last thing, there's a little hook here, or a loop. I'll show you how to use that or what you can use that for later on. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these out in the sunlight. Follow me. Okay, here's the sunlight. Oh, no shade. Let's get them out of the shade. This ball seems to be a little deflated. I might have to put a little more air in there. But that's it. So we'll wait till they're fully charged and come back at night and see how they look. So until then, I'll see you later. Night has fallen. And as you see, I have the inflatable lanterns in the pool lit up. It is breezy here sometimes, so basically these things just glide over and they end up over in the corner of the pool, and then I can't see them. So what I did was I attached a fishing line to an S-hook and then hooked it to the planters here. This one's way over there, but keeps them in the area, general area where I can see them and float. And then the other two that I have currently hanging up off of my lights. Give it kind of a nice lantern. Very versatile. And they're just hanging with the S hooks too that go to those little hoops that are in the on the top of the inflatable lantern. So overall, a nice soft glow, mimicking a lantern. I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. Okay. What are my final thoughts on the inflatable solar pool fire light? It's easy to take care of. All you have to do is take it out of the box, blow it up, put it out in the sun for 8 hours, and put it wherever you want, and it'll do the rest. It's kind of a nice feature, not having to deal with anything, and most of these are like that, so it's nothing new. It gives off a very, very nice glow at night. It's very relaxing, very soothing. I just like watching them float around or hanging up on the string. So I do like this. Like I said, this was not something that was given to me. I purchased this with my own monies, just to help give myself a little bit more stuff to look at night, because I'm into lights and stuff. So do I recommend this for people? Certainly. It's very inexpensive. The holidays will be coming up around before you know it. So guess what? These would make a great stocking stuffer. So yes, I do recommend this. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. It helps out the channel more than you know, and I really would appreciate it. And I really do appreciate all of you who have subscribed and have liked the video so far. I continue to do some mainstream kind of videos of mainstream products and some of obscure things like this. Like, why am I putting out a video about an inflatable pool light when summer is ending and the fall is beginning? Because you don't have to just use this for summer. Anyway, so, okay, thanks for watching. Enough said. Bye.